So continue then. So now, lock doors. There will be times when the door must be locked for safety reasons. Okay. It is if it is necessary to resolve the Yichud problem, it should be arranged that someone is available to come in unannounced at any time. This person should have a key or a combination to open the door. This serves as a deterrent to the seclusion of the man and woman. So let's read from the beginning and we try to understand. So what would be the case the door is locked? Like a practical example of the door, you must lock the door for security reason. I don't know. So, okay, let's continue reading and we'll see. There will be times when the door must be locked for safety reason. Okay, so I mean, okay. If it is necessary to resolve the Yichud problem, it should be arranged that someone is available to come in unannounced at any time. So, but come in not hypothetically that the person comes every 7 months, right? So to collect his pay or her pay or whatever, right? It must be like a real probability that this person is going to come at any time. Okay. So because you see, it's some people, as we said many times, they know halacha and they try to look for the way out. So this halacha is actually one of the fences that rabbis built for us and say do not come close, because why? Because you might do a sin, right? That's why. Okay, so a person should have a key or a combination. So combination means that there is like a digital lock. Okay, so meaning that they have your code, whatever, five-digit code, so they can come in. Okay, this person should have a key or combination to open the door. Okay, this services as deterrent to the seclusion of the man and woman. Okay, so many because they're going to be nervous and maybe they're not going to do anything. So that should stop them. Therefore, a girl who is a babysitting a boy old enough to effect the prohibition of Yichud and feels the door must be locked should make a male neighbor aware of this and be told that he can come at any time. So that's here his example. So a girl, let's say, I don't know, she's 12 years old, 13 years old, and she's a babysitter, and the boy is 9 years old. So we said that the problem with Yichud starts with girls from 3 years old and boys from 9 years old. So and 9 years old, I think we're in a place where I live. I think they are not allowed to be at home alone. I think, or up to 9, or I don't know, like legally. So even though I mean he's not a little baby, but you need a babysitter. Otherwise you can get in trouble with law. I'm not sure. Maybe at up to 9. Okay, I'm not sure. Is it? Okay. So in this case. So she's an older girl. So and they must lock the door. Like it's not safe. Like you're in an apartment building, it's not safe to keep the door unlocked, right? All right. So she would have somebody like a male neighbor have a key and stuff like that. I'm not sure how practically it's going to work, but that's what it is. Maybe some elderly, like retired person. Okay, so ask him so he can come in at any time. So maybe that would be the solution.